So here's what I like about this thing. I can take it, you know, in the wheelbarrow over to another tote, hook up my garden hose, just run power to it, and I got nice pressure for my pressure washer. So I thread on my piece of 2-inch pipe, then I hook up this hose. Extension cord for power. Ugh. It's heavier than it looks. I'm gonna move this a little bit further down just to make sure it gets some good gravity going on. As soon as it builds pressure, it'll cut off. And then we got pressure here. Alright, as you can see, that works pretty good. I put some polyurethane on this, about 3 coats. Could probably use another one, but looks good. I also had to tighten up this fitting. That's the problem you're going to have with plastic. I had to use a pair of Nip-X pliers to get that tighter, but no more leaks, so that's good. All right, let's hook up the pressure washer and I'm going to show you how I clean my wheels. All right, so I've been using a lot of different wheel cleaners and over the course of the years, and I want to talk about a product called I never heard of it before, Sonax, S-O-N-A-X. This is single-handedly the best wheel cleaner I've ever seen. It's not cheap. I want to say this stuff's like 15 bucks or $18 a bottle, but it works really well and it won't damage your wheels. You spray the stuff on. It's got pretty straightforward directions. You just have to make sure that your wheels cool to the touch. So you don't want to do this after you've been racing around town or just, you know, driving around. But so I do this in the morning. I'll spray it down with this, and you'll see it change color. It changes to this like pink red color, and the product will pull the iron particles out of the brake pads. So it works really, really well. And after I do that, I let it sit for like 2 minutes. I think that's what they recommend. Then I pressure wash the wheel, and then I follow it up by using a wheel woolly, I think it's called. Or this one just says rim cleaning brush. But I got this, I think, on Amazon. It wasn't too expensive, 15 bucks. It's soft, and it allows you to get into the barrel of the wheel and get all the other you know, grime and brake dust and stuff out. So I use that, and I'll throw just some whatever I got lying around. I'll just use this stuff, probably this Car Guys Mr. Pink. I like their citrus wash too, is pretty good. But then I'll soap it one more time, and then I spray it off again, and the wheels just look mint again. And it's important, I think, to keep your wheels clean, because the brake dust can get real bad and get to a point where it can maybe start damaging stuff. So this one says acid free. I looked. These two I bought recently, so this is the older one. It's the same formula, so if it looks different, as long as you're getting the Sonax wheel cleaner, it's made in Germany. It's good stuff. So I highly recommend it. You know, anytime you can find a product that saves you time, I think it's worth looking into. So we're gonna set stuff up. I'm gonna spray it on the wheels, and then I'm gonna put the camera on the wheel, and you can watch. Maybe I'll probably fast forward it, but you can watch it working. So it's pretty impressive. So let's do that now. You can see. I mean, these are filthy. Brake dust. I mean, it just, anytime you have a high performance car and big ass brakes, you're gonna have to deal with a lot of brake dust. So this stuff, you just kind of spray it on. I get it on the caliper and everything else. And then just let it do its thing. And you'll see, you can see it getting purple already. But we'll let it sit for 2 minutes. I'm going to do the other wheels while that hangs out. You can see that it turned into this purple goo, and now I'm just going to spray the wheel off, and then I hit it again with my brush and stuff, and I'm done. So there's really no scrubbing, and these wheels are kind of complicated with all their spokes and stuff. So let's rinse it off and see what it looks like. I mean, honestly, you saw me just like, I gotta put more soap in there, but I mean, look, I didn't do anything other than just power wash it a little bit with that 40-degree tip, and they already look mint. So yeah, I mean, I'll scrub them just to get the barrels and stuff inside, but this stuff works fantastic. It's not cheap, but you know, you get what you pay for. And I got, let's see, that bottle's empty. I've done these wheels 3 times. So one bottle, you can do it 3 times. 3 sets, I guess. So yeah, I'm just gonna scrub these a little bit more just in case, and should be good. So there you go, looking good again. Nice and clean. You can hand dry them if you want to. I'm gonna wash the rest of the car, so I'm just gonna have to dry them again anyways. But yeah, Sonax works great. Well worth the money. Would recommend. Thanks for watching.